what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are new, hello, my name is Lexi. I would love for you to subscribe and make new videos every week. And today is a good one because we are going to be doing my Amazon favorites. These items are things that I am obsessed with and I love and I've gifted to other people and I use every day. And honestly, when I was trying to think about all the things I get on Amazon, it was just too much for one video. So I'm going to split it up. I'm going to do a beauty favorites from Amazon, home decor pieces from Amazon and things like that. But this video is going to be, I would say, more lifestyle, kind of like I said, things I'm using every day and things that I'm just obsessed with and that I want to share with you guys right now. So none of these really fall into a specific category. Kind of random, but that's okay. Let's just get into the products. I'm kicking off the first Amazon favorite with something that I have literally played every single day since I've gotten my hands on it during quarantine, and that is this right here, okay? Monopoly Deal. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so fun. Actually, I saw this in another YouTuber's video. She was like, this game is so good, you have to try it. So I'm like, cool. I love Monopoly, but I'm really not let me sit down and play Monopoly for 10 hours kind of person. And so when she said that you can play this in 15 minutes, that's I was sold. I'm like, Monopoly in 15 minutes? I have to try this. All you need is the deck of cards that's in here to play. You can play with 2 people. You can play with up to 5 people. And everyone that I've shown and played this game with is obsessed with it. You can't just play one game. You end up, spending 10 hours anyways playing it because you just want to play over and over and over because it's so competitive and it's just so fun. And it takes a second to learn the cards and get it. But then once you get it, you're just obsessed with it. And like I said, everybody I've played it with is in love with it. And it's just a really fun quarantine game. I think you will love it. I think your family will love it. You can gift it. I've gifted it to a lot of people during quarantine and just nothing but good things. So they were sold out for a little bit. I believe they're back in stock. So highly recommend picking this up. Super fun. Okay, next up are these blue light glasses. You can see my ring light in them. So cute. I'm sure you've seen these everywhere as well. This brand was specifically really good. Obviously I will link everything in the description box so you guys can check it out down there. But I just really like these. They came in a really nice case and with cleaning supplies and all that kind of stuff. And it came with this pair, the black ones, and then same style with a clear frame. So it came with 2 different pairs for this one, and there's just so many on Amazon. I know it's really popular now, but if you're unfamiliar with blue light and all that kind of stuff, you can research it. But studies show that wearing these blue light glasses help with the strain on your eyes while getting the blue light from technology and stuff like that. So I really love these. I just think they're super cute. So I even just wear them to just, be a little cutesy around the house. I'm like, ooh, got my little glasses on. Super cute. You can wear them as a fashion statement if you want, but they do also help, especially during the nighttime. I'll throw them on if I'm watching a show or a movie or something like that. So got these from Amazon. Love them. Use them all the time. Okay, I told you guys this video is going to be random. So my second favorite, something that I use every single day, is my water bottle. And I know a lot of people show their water bottles and cups and things like that from Amazon in these Amazon favorites, but I'm telling you, this is it. This is such a good water bottle. And it's just slim, sleek. They have plain ones. I got the really cute pattern one because I just figured in the summer, on the boat, put a little cocktail in here. I just, I had a vision in my head, and I've had this for months now, and I really, really love it. Use it every day. Like I said, I was a really big plastic water bottle person. I'm not gonna lie. I would drink 15 plastic water bottles a day, and it was just obviously terrible for the environment and just messy and just, and it gets expensive. So invested in a water bottle. I've actually tried so many different ones. I would go to Target and pick up cute ones, but ever since I got this one, this is the only one that I use. And I love it because you can do hot, you can do cold, you can do coffee, whatever, like I said, drinks. I like it because I drink my water so fast when I'm drinking it out of a straw, and I can just keep refilling this up. But I also like for coffee and things like that, it has a different top that you can screw on that has like the little coffee lid. And if you don't like using straws, then you have that option as well. So I like it because it comes with both, so whatever you prefer. And it was a great price, of course, on Amazon, and cute pattern, sleek, can't say enough good things. If you are looking for like a new cup, water bottle, gift, something like that, this is it. This is so good. Okay, next favorite that I am in love with, and I really don't know why, but I just love it so much and it's so cute, is this right here. And it's a little fan. I swear it was like probably 10 bucks on Amazon. And I specifically bought this at first to when I'm done doing my makeup and I spray my setting spray, I will, you know, use this. It has 2 settings to kind of set my makeup down and dry that. I've also used it during skincare. If I'm in a rush and I'm doing toner and things like that, I'll kind of dry my face. And then I took this traveling with me. I ended up using it, you know, in hot climate, on an excursion, things like that. It's just so sleek and small that you can just like throw it into a backpack, a bag, whatever, my purse, and, you know, cool myself down. And I don't know why this brings me so much joy, but it really does. And it's just so cute. I had to mention it. And now that like I have it, I'm just so happy that I have it. It's just like one of those things. So I just wanted to mention that because I got it from Amazon. It's super cute and I love it. Okay, the next essential is this right here. Now, I don't know what I was doing my whole life. I would get out of the shower, you know, ladies, you know, flip your hair over, you do the little towel turban. Well, purchase one of these and you will be so grateful that you did, because you do not have to use the big bulky towels that honestly ruin your hair when you do that. And you can use this. It's so much easier. It's lighter. It makes your hair dry so fast. It's better for your hair. It stays in place, like, and it's cute. Like, you can get cute patterns if you want. I love it. And it's awesome because it has a little button here. And then it has like a little elastic here. So when you twist it up, you can secure it. And it like just has, you're not gonna be able to tell with me doing it right here, but click the link in the description and it'll make way more sense once you see it. But it's just such a nice way to get out of the shower and dry your hair instead of having the big bulky towel that's really not good for you. So yeah, I'm gonna purchase a few more of these. I'm gonna travel with these. It's so nice because they're just like little and light, and especially if you have longer hair. I mean, I use this with my short hair too, but longer hair, like, this is a game changer. And if you try it, I know you'll absolutely love it. So I had to mention this. It's so good. This one's really cute. And yeah, I'll link it in the description. You gotta try this one. Okay, let's just talk about something that I'm wearing. It is these hoops right here. And I wear these every single day. I literally wear these every single day. I love them so much. They're like the perfect small hoop. The perfect small hoop. So affordable. They don't irritate my ears. They're really light. They don't weigh down my ears. And like, I have really sensitive ears. So the fact that I can wear them every day and they don't bother me is amazing. And they were really affordable. And I mean, the little hoops are just in style right now, and I just couldn't not mention them. I will obviously have them linked. And another like social media influencer, YouTuber recommended these. Like, she wears them every day, and I was like, yes, girl. And now I wear them every day. So it's, you know, that's how it goes. And I've been influenced, but they're so cute. I love them. That's really all I'm gonna say about them, but I just had to mention because I'm obsessed with them. Okay, I couldn't do my first Amazon favorites without mentioning this right here. This right here. If you guys don't know what this is, it's basically a massage gun. I'll turn it on so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And it's like this here, so it's like a vibration, and you can turn it up. It has like different settings, and basically like you're just, you know, in your muscles, you just kind of, and it sends vibrations through your muscles, and when you're sore, this is just like game changing. It feels so good. And it came with like a charger. It came in this really nice case, and it has like other little attachments, you know, for like smaller areas, smaller muscle groups, things like that. And honestly, it's just so bomb. I absolutely love it. Great for a gift for somebody who is into fitness, or if you are into fitness, then you will definitely love this. And if you're somebody who's looked at them online and you know they're very expensive and all that kind of stuff, I will leave this one in the description box, because again, compared to others, it was more affordable and it's super bomb. Love it. Okay, so I just have 2 more things to wrap up this Amazon video, and then there will be many more Amazon videos to come, but I don't want this video to get way too long. And so I'm gonna insert a clip now because it's kind of hard for me to show, because it is my Vanity Lights, and then there's a really pretty greenery going around my vanity. I am so obsessed, and shout out to my boyfriend for putting these lights on, because it is literally the best thing I could have ever done. You know those like vanities that have the big bulbs and like the beautiful lighting? That's what I wanted, but those mirrors can be so expensive. So I kind of DIY'd one here, and these lights are from Amazon. They come in like a roll, and they're super affordable. You just plug them in, and they are so bright. They are perfect for doing your makeup. They dim down, and then they go super bright, so they're adjustable. And we just taped them around this mirror, and it just looks so professional and so beautiful, and literally the best thing I could have ever done. I'm obsessed with it. And then the other thing that is from Amazon that I wanted to show, so this is basically a box of fake like ivy, and don't get me wrong, this doesn't look very realistic, okay? I have plants all over my house. I'm like a plant lady, but you know, this is the one like really fakey thing that I've bought, but I really wanted to have like the green ivy effect around my house. So I'll insert a couple clips. You saw the greenery around my vanity, but I put it like above my sink. I put it on my full length mirror, and just kind of like little places. I just thought it was a really cool, like, you know, decoration that isn't gonna bother me that it's not real and that it looks kind of fake. But I think like in a bathroom it would be really pretty, like places where you can't really have, you know, real greenery. But I'm just obsessed with greenery, and I really think around my vanity it looks really like just whimsical and pretty, and I just think it adds a lot. I think it looks so cool. So if you're into this kind of thing, then you will absolutely love it. I'll link this down below. It comes with like a lot. Like I still have some sitting in the box. I don't even really know where I'm gonna use this. So it comes with like 12 different strands, I think, and it was really affordable. So just an idea, just to give you guys some, you know, of my plant lady inspiration. In case you're interested, I'll have that linked down below as well. And yeah, and that wraps up my first Amazon favorites video. If you guys liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. Like I have been saying throughout, all of the products will be linked in the description box if you are curious. And leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite product was from this video. I'm super curious if you guys are like into the things that I'm into, or if you've tried any of these things. So let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, because there will be many more videos coming. Like I said, it's gonna be really fun. I'm super excited about it. And then if you wanna see these items in action, go follow me over on Instagram. I will leave it right here, down here. Leave my handle. Go follow me, say what's up. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.